I'm in short sleeves right now, but unfortunately, this is probably the last ride of this year, 2023, which really sucks. And that's because Pennsylvania is very bipolar, just like a lot of the residents. So today is 70 right now, but the next couple of days are supposed to be in like the 50s and 40s with rain, and then even colder after that. I was gonna say cooler, and then I switched to colder, so it came out weird. But like last I checked, they were literally calling for snow in a couple of days, like a wintry next day, and then the next day was supposed to be snow, which is literally next week. So that's why this is so confusing. But that's what they're calling for, at least last I checked. So I'm gonna act based on that. And tomorrow I'm gonna put my bike away for the winter, which I didn't do last year. Last year I just let it sit out with a tarp over it. But this year I'm gonna like actually take care of it, because the tires are pretty much brand new and stuff like that. So I'm gonna prop it up just so they stay in good condition. But yeah, I'm gonna sit it up on stands and everything, put it in the storage unit, which sucks because obviously I don't want to quit riding for multiple reasons. Like, I want to keep making videos, I want to keep my sanity, because this is a way to, like, I don't know, just it's kind of like therapy, I guess. It's the easiest way to put it without getting too into it. So I'm definitely gonna miss it. Definitely gonna have a decline in mental health the next couple months, but whatever. It happens every year. So it's not supposed to rain today, but it 100% looks and feels like it's going to. So I'm a little skeptical about that, and I'm really hoping it doesn't just start raining on me. But if it does, then oh well. As long as nothing gets ruined, I don't really care. At least I have a black t-shirt on, just in case. My plan for over the winter, this I should probably cut this out of the video because I'm usually not good at okay, so I wanted to gain weight for like 2 years now, and I started to. I did. There was a point where I was up to 180 pounds, and I was very happy with myself. Like, it was progress. I was putting on weight, I was seeing results, I was getting bigger and stronger, and I loved it. And then I'll just say some things happened throughout life, and ever since I have not been able to gain weight. I've been stuck at 165, like around 165. Sometimes it's a little bit lower, sometimes it's 167 if I just ate, but like I've been stuck around that for years, and I hate it because I want to weigh a lot more than I do, and it's very hard for me to gain weight. So I shouldn't put this out there on video, because I'm going to end up not accomplishing it, and then I'm just going to be embarrassed and disappointed with myself. But I'm gonna do it anyways. Maybe if I like say it in a video and I know it's out there for you guys to see, maybe I'll like push myself harder. But what my plan for the winter is, I think my biggest problem is I think I burn more calories than I take in, because I don't eat much. I typically only eat like 2 real meals a day, so I don't eat much, which is obviously a huge problem when you want to gain weight and stuff. But not only that, but then I go to the gym. I try to go 5-6 times a week, so I'm burning a bunch of calories and not really getting any in. So of course I'm not going to gain weight if I do that. So what my plan for the winter is to start going like 3 times a week, roughly. Like have one day for biceps and like either back or shoulders, one day for chest and tries, and then one day for legs, and just really focus on eating all the time, like throughout the winter, like all the Christmas cookies, the big plate of Thanksgiving, like all that stuff, if I'm not at work. But like the times I do get to eat, burning as many calories and just try to bulk up, gain some weight, like at least 10 pounds is ideal. And I would like to come back 2024 a lot bigger and looking better. Like I said, I've been bad at that because most of the time I have to force myself to eat, and then I almost gag, or I start to gag while I eat, so I quit because nobody wants to gag while they're eating. So I'm gonna try. Hopefully I make progress over the winter. Like I said, I want to come back a lot bigger, so I'm hoping I'm able to follow through with it. Otherwise, this is just going to be an embarrassment. But I also struggle a ton with like body dysmorphia and stuff, so that's another reason I want to gain a lot of weight. It's just very difficult when you have other stuff going on in your head. But anyways, that's enough about me, I guess. I just felt like saying what my plan was for next year. Possibly a leader bike too, which I've talked about. But I've also said I'm not sure how likely that is because of other stuff I have going on and the financial aspect. So that's also a see what happens type of situation. I would like to not have the 650 by the time I come back. Like I would like to have that sold. But that's not been going well. A lot of people leaving me hanging, so that's not looking too good either. Damn, I feel like this video is really dark, like in terms of mood. I mean, the weather's not helping, but I feel like this is a depressing video. That's my bad. How is your day? Are you doing better? Hopefully having a good day, positive attitude. Try to lighten it up. Man, I just hate the. No, I'm kidding. I'm joking. I'm trying to lighten the mood. Relax. I kind of want to take the fun turn. You know what I mean? One last time before riding season ends, but I'm not really dressed to do that, and I feel like with the way I've been talking this whole video, and knowing that it's the last time for the year, I feel like I'd take it a little too far and then get hurt. So I probably shouldn't. Look at that. Yee yee, brother. Why is there a pack of cheerleaders walking around? Herd, pack, a school, flock, I don't know. What are they called? Group? Probably, because they're people, I guess. Maybe I should refer to them as human. That's my bad. Sorry. I had to put my visor up because it's starting to fog up. Face reveal. No, I'm just kidding. There we go. This passenger looked at me both times. Got a lot of stickers on. Ooh, Challenger and a Camaro. The Camaro is pimped out. Ooh, another flock group. These are college runners, I guess. I can't do that shit. I suck at running. Got bad lungs. What was the word I was looking for? Bad air capacity, I guess. I don't know. I don't know what it's called. But I learned that, like, with the way my chest is shaped, it's there's a certain condition that people have that limits your breathing. So it's fun. I don't smoke or anything. Someone's smoking weed. I'm gonna get high. Holy shit. That is strong. Is this a Firebird right in front of me? And a Porsche right behind me? What are the odds? I don't want the video to get too long, so I'm going to start headed back. There's a Challenger up there too. Geez, all the nice cars are out. Maybe I should have went on the highway. Yeah, I'm not going to do it. I'm just going to head back. It's hard enough recording this one, so unless something cool happened on the highway, it would be a really boring video for you guys, and I don't want to do that, so headed back to the cave. I'll say this now, if anybody is even still watching, but if you're new to the channel, within the past couple months since I've been... That sounded horrible. Now it sounds worse. Yeah, it didn't get any better. Anyways, if you're new to the channel within the past couple months, this is October 25th, 26th, I don't know. And you'll see this video in March, I believe. So if you join the channel in between then, thank you for joining. I appreciate it. I hope you like what you see so far. Let me know what brought you here. I'm curious. But like I said, thank you for joining. I greatly appreciate it, all of you. And it feels like there's something crawling in my ear right now. That's not fun. Actually, another thing I'm going to say before I wrap this up. Thank you, everyone, new or old fan, like however you want to, like whether you've been a fan or you just joined. Thank you for a good 2023. Since this is the last video of 2023, well, I'm recording in 2023. I think it would make sense to say it. Thank you for a good year. Grew a lot, way more than I expected. I think we gained like over 1,000 subscribers this year, which is crazy. And I really didn't expect that. I appreciate it a lot. It's awesome to see, and it helps me a lot mentally. So I just wanted to say thank you for that, for the good year. Some of the videos did really good, and I appreciate it. A lot more likes and stuff, which I also appreciate really